This is my top that I used the stripe project for. On the front, I used the stripe fabric and manipulated it to have a broader black stripe right here. And then there's a seam right there in the middle. I have two collar pieces that I applied against the self, or the main part of the body. On the right side, I have it going up and down with a side seam, or a princess seam coming right down the middle, with also a seam going across the bust. And here we see the lines going side to side, with the stripes matching as close as possible, with also the bust seam right here as well. We also have seams here and here to get this very geometric style with the stripes. And we flip it over, and these are the collars on the back side. I have them showing the opposite color that they line up with. I thought that gave it a nice little detail. The back yoke, I really like the use of the stripes right here, and especially how I made it land right there solidly on the black. And then I lined up the back fabric, and then down here we can see on the back panels we have two on both sides. They have a pleat on both sides, and they try to line up with the fabric corresponding to each side. Just show a little bit more of the seams. Then I have a little vent here for the back, just to keep it a little bit more movable when wearing it. Awesome. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. So right here I have the center placket. With the center placket, behind it you'll find the buttons. There's a total of 9 buttons. And here I have a combo fabric for the buttonhole, just a nice contrasting color. The buttons. Right. On the inside, this is a non-lined shirt, so I went ahead and cleaned up all the seams with a serger. Right. Here on the inside, you can see how I have the back yoke with the seam clean finished here and here as well. Here's the front, so we can see that front side seam, side seam, back seam, bust seam. You can see on the sleeves I just have a binding finish, clean, and it adds a nice line of color right there. Not color, but a contrasting color against the stripes. Same with the neck hole, just a nice clean binding, 1/4 of an inch. And yeah, this is my garment that I made for the stripe project. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.